Lazy Rhino.
And we're back on the planet Gaspar.
Yes.
No one burns like Gaspar.
Back right into the heat.
We're in the fray. Oh. Oh. Books everywhere. Collections.
Awesome.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Look at him. Look at him. He's having a blast. Oh, I'm hearing things.
Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Robot dogs.
Get away from me. Just clearing everything out.
They're not even dogs. They're like weird things.
You're not even really things.
You're not even a dog.
You're not even real. Why doesn't it blow up?
Did it run away from you? It's still alive?
How is it still alive? Okay, now it's dead. I
Aha.
believe. Maybe, hopefully. Look at you.
Take this.
Keep losing your helmets. Can I wear it? I want to wear it. Don't touch me. I'm allergic to death. Okay, so there's a max range to the flames. They just keep coming.
Oh man.
It's never ending. Is there more? There's more. Oh. Rapid firing. Oh, okay.
Oh jeez.
Oh! You got pretty close there. I see you, wall. Door.
There you are.
Gate thing.
Yes.
More robots.
Get them out of here.
Don't touch me. Ooh, robots.
Robots.
Robo-bits.
Hmm.
I think they're dead.
I think so.
Oh. Oh wow, need to aim better.
Ooh.
It was close.
I thought you got hit.
Oh, I did.
You did now.
I'm out of ammo.
Use your favorite weapon.
Time to activate the base cannon. And they're dying.
Nice. Oh, robots. More robots.
No!
I think you're gonna die.
This is a high possibility.
You can't even aim high enough.
No, I can't.
Probably
They
get
will-
out of there.
I don't know. I'm doing a pretty good job of killing them, I
There's
believe.
one above you, shooting you. Two. There's two above you.
Can I hit you?
No.
I can't.
He's just gonna kill you.
Oh crap! There's a lot of them.
Another one getting
They're everywhere.
back in the turret over there.
Oh no! They're everywhere.
Get out your Mr.
He's took
Zircon.
it. Mr. Zircon, save me! I want to
You
take
got
it.
4
Oh.
health. Don't get in there.
No!
Oh man.
Alright, I need to try this over again.
Mr. Zircon.
Mr. Zircon. I think I'm getting them all this time.
Yeah.
You did, son.
Now watch out for all the giant robot
I want
guys.
this one.
They're gonna kill you.
Not this time.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Mr. Zircon would never do that. He's my friend.
There's the guy with his turret.
I said die.
Wow.
He's not dying.
How come he can hurt you, but you can't hurt him? This game cheats.
He's cheap. But that'll do it. Get dead, son. Or not.
More.
Ah. It's a gauntlet.
All enemies clear. Well done.
We did it.
Yeah.
Second time's the charm.
Hey, are those grind boots?
Are they?
Oh.
In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
3 of them. It's too many.
I give up.
Is that health?
I give up. I can't do it.
I
No,
quit.
it's just a glowy spot. It looks like.
That look like a nanomachines.
If it is health, then you already have all your health.
Oh no. I'm never gonna make it in time.
Oh, look, they got it.
You did it.
I guess I have max health.
Sweet.
And that completely
Those don't
unlikely
match
location
my
is
setup.
where Ratchet found
No, I
a
think you should
shiny
wear
new
those.
pair of grind
Oh.
boots. With his grind boots strapped
switched.
on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail.
Jump onto the grind rail.
Absolutely Ratchet.
Ah, yeah.
X Games, baby. We have to switch something here. Nope, I'm just going right back to the start.
Still on the hunt for the jetpack,
Now you can
Ratchet
go on the
used
other
his
thing,
newfound
though.
grind boots to explore the planet further.
Plasma strike is 21,000. I don't have the bolts.
I'm disappointed.
Ratchet stylishly landed onto the rail next to him.
Oh!
Killing him.
Slow-mo. Whee!
There's lava right there.
This is very dangerous. Get away from me! Get away from me!
Get away, get away! Oh,
It's the new area.
you did it.
Uh-oh. How are you Rubits doing? You're dead.
Might be something behind you. Down there.
Ooh. I need a jetpack for that.
Oh, but there's rare titanium.
It's so rare.
Mm-hmm.
Well, medium well done.
Wow. Wow.
I think I quit. I'm done with this.
I have to leave.
I just have to go.
Don't worry. I'm a friend.
I don't believe you.
What did he say?
Don't worry, I'm a friend.
I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbat from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drek terrorize
That's
the
rude.
galaxy.
I have a face.
It's
My
nothing
real
like any of the
passion
other
is in amateur
faces.
neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from
Amateur science?
telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby?
Don't you?
I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
What do you mean? Doesn't everybody?
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks
This guy's
they
not
can
shady
steal
at
my
all.
food and the company
Telepathopuses.
price. I can control the blood.
It's like, dude, did you really mean to say that?
Collect a few telepathopus brains for me. I'll give you this jetpack.
Thanks, bruh.
Is this the thing where I gotta collect like 100? Oh, I
That's
hate
only if
those
you want to
things.
collect 100.
Alright, you guys strap in, buckaroos. We're
You
going.
ready to get all 100 of the brains?
Gotta collect all of them.
One down,
This is
99 to
disgusting.
go.
Are you guys excited? I'm excited.
You should see his face.
You dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
Yes.
Waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates. Little shark guys, they're back.
They're street sharks.
Street sharks.
It brings back childhood
Oh
memories.
jeez.
Are a disease. Mr. Zircon is the cure. One little
Look at the little crab creature. Oh,
he's killing you.
I don't like it.
Street sharks.
You guys remember Street Sharks? I remember Street Sharks. And to drop the base.
Drop the base.
Don't touch me. Get dead. Oh, I can't go any further.
How disappointing. You gotta step on all the little button thingies.
Oh, there are buttons. Where's the other one?
Down there. Oh, there's another one up there too. Behind you. To left. Up. Hurry.
Oh no! I'm not gonna make it! Oh! I made it.
You made it.
Just in the nick of time.
That was scary.
Wee! Drop the base.
It's really funny that this is like your favorite weapon.
It is. I love it. I don't have to really do anything. I can still hurt them, get experience for my weapons, and I get to swing the wrench.
Wow.
Just a few more.
I get to solve all my problems.
All your problems. Feed all your addictions.
Yes.
Dude, that brain. Why is there a brain in there? What is that?
Why would brains be in these things?
I don't understand.
Are we cultivating brains?
Is it a fetus?
A fetus has only a brain?
Yeah, it starts out as a brain.
That's kind of disturbing if you think about it, if it's like actually a fetus and we're aborting them.
We're harvesting fetuses.
We're like Christopher Reeves.
They're
Ah,
dying.
Take it.
Whenever I think of fetuses, I think of that episode of South Park.
Yeah.
Or is it Christopher
Yeah,
Reeves?
Christopher Reeves is like sucking out the stem
He's
juices.
like breaking their backs and sucking out the juices.
He's actually becoming a sexual Superman.
It's kind of weird.
Then Gene Hackman goes in to try to stop him, be the voice of reason. In a crazy turn of events.
Get the bolts! Oh no!
What else? Oh, okay, they're over here.
I saw them and I was like, oh my gosh.
I don't see nothing.
You can't leave those bolts
I'm
to be
going-
by themselves.
We have the
They're
big-
defenseless.
No! I pressed circle.
He almost died.
I recovered.
That was crazy.
A deal's a deal. Here you go. I tell you what. I
tell
actually have a
you
top secret
what.
Drek Industries info box. If you bring me a few more
Seriously,
directions,
their
I might be
their
willing to
ability to like
You really have a
conceal
taste
and
for
like
brains,
like
don't ya?
keep company secrets and everything is absolutely shit.
They don't get paid enough.
Jetpack, Ratchet,
Don't they know anything about
aerial scourge
DMCAs?
of 1,000
See, now you gotta collect 20 more brains for the secret info bot.
Oh my god.
John, it's gonna be great.
I'm gonna go upgrade.
Buy something, will you? I make a few more
I
sales
want my
tonight with this
proton
set of
drum.
steak knives.
I want that one and that one.
Mm.
Frictionless casing. Oh baby. Ooh. Smooth, lightweight casing allows the cord to travel further before landing.
Fantastic.
How much duration? I don't need it to give me more hollow cards.
Why not?
I'm not a fan of hollow cards, even though
Hollow
they probably
cards?
increase.
What? What did you say?
I don't know what I said anymore. Mr. Zirkin, what do you got for me?
More bolts.
I don't want more bolts.
What?
You have both? What, doesn't
Who
everybody?
doesn't want more bolts?
I'm playing on hard mode here.
I don't understand.
What should I... I'm gonna save the last of my 5
The
raritariums for
telepathicus
later.
brain is a wondrous
So you could just go
complex
collect the
brain.
brains and going the wrong way.
The brain's that way.
You gotta go that way and get the jetpack fuel.
Oh,
Now you can go jetpack into this open world adventure.
L1.
Ratchet used the jetpack
Oh
to fly
my
high
God.
above hostile
There's so
territory.
much more room for activities now.
I'm gonna fly. I have to fly over there,
You
don't
can
I?
go over there.
That's
yeah.
a big brain. I'm
That's
the
what she
big
said.
brain. I'm winning again. That's a very big brain. Take it. Oh,
Kill the street shark.
baby street shark. Oh, that is very disturbing.
That was very disturbing. I don't like this one bit.
I don't like it at all. Make it stop.
Probably get it. There you go. Giant squid brain.
Please, he's looking like he really likes it. He's like, oh, please, more.
Get him out of here.
These bullets are following me.
You're hitting the tree instead.
Die. Why aren't you dying?
You got like 15%. Yeah.
Oh, it gives me 3 brains.
Whoa.
I don't like this place. I already am very scared about the future here.
It disturbs you, John? Is that what it is?
I don't. After seeing that, I'm very. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it.
Get the fuel so you can boost up into the sky.
I need a boost. Now the question is, where do I go next?
Up into the
Am
sky.
I going over there? Or am I going? I can't go over there. Nothing over here. Something above me?
Ooh.
Let's see if it lets me go. What's the? Oh.
Brains.
Where brain juice is.
Delicious.
I love brains.
There's one over there.
Oh.
Use your jetpack.
Oh! Out of nowhere. Oops.
Well,
I wanted that.
I know what you wanted.
I know what you want, what you really, really want.
Oh my god.
Is that a path? It looks like a path. Okay.
Ooh.
Time to fly.
There's the brains to the right. Get the other one behind you.
Yeah.
And the street shark.
Oh, more street sharks. They're all dying. Through no fault of my own. Okay, so they're dead. I've got more ammo, and more bolts. And what's
I've
this?
done a lot of difficult things in my life, but by
Boost
far
up
the
into the
most
sky,
difficult
hurry,
has
I'm
been trying to say
flying.
the word
Get it.
telepathopus 10
Other one.
times fast. I believe it is impossible.
Yeah.
Oh no! 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 No!
Oh,
Mr. Zircon, save me!
Mr. Zircon.
Hey, it looks like you found one of my telepathopus traps. You'll have to finish it before you can catch its brain.
It's the telepathopus.
Please die.
Oh man.
Please don't touch me. Oh, you touched
got,
me!
Oh, you got like less
I'm
than
not
half
gonna
your health.
survive. I am already accepting my death.
Don't accept it.
Oh boy.
Mr. Zircon, why aren't
Switch
you
your
firing?
weapon. Switch your weapon.
Mr.
Hold
Zircon!
triangle. Hold triangle.
I want health!
You hold triangle, it'll pause it for a second. Okay, don't hold triangle.
I don't need to hold triangle. I need to kill this thing before I die.
You need another ranged weapon.
I got it. I got ammo.
This isn't safe. Oh, you
He's
killed it.
dead.
Wow.
I like to live dangerously.
Why did the brains just fly to you like that?
They like me. I'm
Oh,
too
man.
afraid to go any further now. Where do I go from here? I don't got that much juices left.
Juices.
Juicy. I'm
Fly
assuming
up
I have to
there.
go over there.
Go up there.
Oh, this doesn't look safe.
It's okay. Just land.
Is it though?
Well, don't get killed by those guys.
I don't refuse to die.
They're
No.
gonna kill you. Turn around for a second. Is there something over there? Nope. No, look. So behind you, across the lava. So you're up a little bit. Look up a little bit.
Oh.
There
I don't think I
is-
have enough.
You don't got the juice.
I don't got the juice. There's the health. I'm scared to go over there though.
Go ahead.
It'll be perfectly fine.
You'll make it.
Whee! Oh, I won't.
Oh, the street sharks are coming.
They're back. And they want to eat the streets.
Ooh.
Hey! More damage. Okay. I guess we'll pick the rest of this area up on the next time.
And we'll come back to the street sharks and giant disturbing brain squids.
I'm gonna die.
Telepathopuses. Look, there's one back
Oh
there.
no.
There it is.
I am already. I want to go home.
That's next time.
Alright. See ya. Yeah.